Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. So today I want to do a power hour for you guys, but just before I get into that, I just want to say thank you so much for your comments in my video that I put out on Monday about where I've been and how I'm feeling. I really appreciate every single comment that came in. I've tried to reply to them all, so hopefully I got back to you, but I really do appreciate all the views, all the thumbs up and all the comments in that video. So I really love that people took the time to leave, you know, heartfelt comments on that video, and also took the time to thumbs it up. So thank you so much. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will have that video linked below for you to check out. But today I'm going to be doing a power hour, so without further ado, let's just jump in and see how it goes. So on my list today for the power hour is change the bedding in mine and Robert's bed, take off the sofa covers, vacuum inside and also under the sofas, clean the microwave, do the dishes, clean the kitchen sink, do the counters, vacuum the apartment, and then mop the kitchen floor.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
So this is now my completed lift. There was 45 seconds left, so I wasn't going to get to mop the kitchen, but I did try looking for the microfiber insert that I use, or the microfiber cloth that I use for the steam mop, but I couldn't find it. But I have done everything. I've changed the bedding, I took off the covers on the sofa, I vacuumed inside the sofa, I cleaned the microwave, did the dishes, did the sink and the counters, and then I vacuumed just there. So not bad, one thing remaining, but that is okay. So there we have it, guys. That was today's power hour. As you saw, I did not complete one of the tasks. I ran out of time, and I couldn't, and I still can't find the microfiber cloths that I use with that machine. I have to rummage around. If you remember, a couple of weeks ago I did a laundry declutter, and at the time I was going to then film like a cleaning and organization of that area, and I haven't done that yet. In that video I mentioned, and I'll have that video linked below, I have mentioned that the water heater was leaking. So straight after that I contacted the maintenance company, and that's leaking, and then we've also noticed another area is leaking as well, so I need to get the maintenance company out for that. So until those jobs are complete, there's just no point, because there's just constant kind of water leaking, and it's just kind of ruining and staining the floor. So once that's complete, I will do a like cleaning and organization of that area, because I do have some ideas on how to better organize it and make it work a little bit better for us. So that is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I'd love if you gave it a thumbs up. Also, I just want to say that I have some new blog posts for you guys about local attractions that we have gone to in the recent weeks. So I'll have those blog posts linked below. It's from my blog, ourIrishFamily.com. If you are on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, I would love if you come and follow me on those platforms, and all those details will be in the description also. So that's it, guys. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.